Yeah, flathead screwdriver will mess the lock up real fast. I am attempting right now to rebuild a lock cylinder that was attempted, it was an attempted break-in. And we're gonna try to flip-flop these parts, keep the old lock and tumblers, or switch it out to the new housing. Let's see how that goes. I don't know how this is gonna go. We're gonna find out together. Yes, we are. Oh, yes, we are. Just gonna work this face off slowly. Oh, the whole cylinder is broken. That's great. Alright, so these springs are really small. Three in the top done. So what I'm doing is I'm taking out each individual tumbler, leaving the spring. This is the junkyard tumbler. These are the tumblers I need. So I've taken the top out of the ones I need and just put them in the junkyard ones. Junkyard one has a nice face. Face on this one was decimated by a screwdriver in New Orleans. Continue. in the housing. See, they really wanted into this thing. It's a pretty cool truck though. It's a manual Dodge Ram. So I got this idea just because, like, oh, lock cylinders can't be that different. It can't be that different. There's no way they're that different. So we went to the junkyard and I sourced one exact body Dodge Ram. Got the passenger side off it, knew it was going to work, no problem. But the other lock cylinder I got was from a 2500 Dodge Ram. Well, I don't think anything will be a problem. This is that lock cylinder off of that newer 2500 truck. This is the lock cylinder out of the truck I'm trying to repair. And they are identical. Identical. So this is not going to be a problem at all. So I'm just going to take these tumblers out, leave the springs, swap over the new tumblers from this old tumbler from this guy. That door was already a success. Super success. Same thing was done to this door. Screwdriver. Bah, 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 bah. We've not been able to do this for about 2 years. Locked. 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 Yay.